Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today I am going to show you how to create Pioneer Payment Link. So if you are new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So in order to create the payment link, you just need to open the Pioneer first. So you can go in your web browser, search for the Pioneer. After that, you can just click on the first web search result, that is the official website of Payoneer. And then you have to log in, and this is the page that is shown to you. So in the left hand side, there is a get paid option. You just have to click on the get paid option. So when you are on the get paid section, you just have to click on the request a payment option that is on the first, and just click on it and this will be open. So firstly, you just need to click on the submit button that is on the right hand side. After that, a form will be shown to you. So you have to fill everything that is said in the form in order to register your business. They ask this in order to check whether your business is authenticated or not, or that is legal or not. So when you have completed this step, there will be another step to add the payer. So you can just enter their name or email number. You can add the details, and after that the amount that you are receiving. So after that, when those processes are completed, you can just click on the OK button or submit button that is right below or shown on the screen, and a invoice will be created, and there will be also a link option. So you can just send that link to Messenger, WhatsApp or any other social media to them. So this is how you can easily create Pioneer payment link. So if this video was helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.